Hey guys, welcome back to our part 3 on how to create a form in Hubspot. So it's just going to marketing and then after that forms. So in this part 3, we're gonna show you how to I'm going to show you how to redirect your form. So after you create a form is after the form submission. So now you're gonna have to know how to redirect your form if you want the inline thank you message or you want them to redirect them to a certain page. So here absolutely, so you go to, so we have forms and then we have options. So in the options here where you can see what should happen after someone submit the form. So choose between display and take a message or redirecting people to a website or scheduling page. So here you have display thank you message. So here you can display thank you message, you can add image, you can add whatever things that you want here. You can add yeah, so you add your image, yeah, so just the image that you can add there, and then after that if also you want to add kind of like a link, so you can also add there in that inline thank you message. So inline thank you message is when you submit the form, the what's the URL is not redirected to a different page, you know, just stay on the same page and then it gives you inline. So we're gonna do the testing like that. So this is the testing. We're gonna do the testing first of all for the inline. So thank you for submitting let's say for instance form, yeah, form, and then let's do a kind of like a test to see. Save, save this one first, update, publish. Okay, refresh the page here. So here we do, let's say for instance, a test again for submission. As you can see, our browser didn't reload, but you have a thank you. Thanks for submitting our form. So now, if you want to put a redirect, you click redirect there. So here we're gonna have to choose a page. Let's for instance, we choose Adobe's about, or let's look for any. So most of the time it's gonna be like a thank you page that you're gonna have to choose. Like yeah, so we have for instance this thank you page. We click thank you there, and then after that let's test again, update, publish. Okay, and then after that, yeah, anyway, so just every time you click view, so we already have the view. We're gonna just refresh the page here. So let's submit and see. Submit. Yeah, so as you submit, it does redirect you now to a thank you page. So yeah, so yeah, so that is the way that you do the redirect in Hubspot. And then here we have another one called redirect to a meeting scheduling. So if you have a meeting scheduling setup, because this one's gonna have to upgrade. So this is gonna just be the same thing like redirect to another page. So when you click, it's gonna give you a drop down like this, and then in that drop down, it's gonna help you to in this drop down here. So you click there, it's gonna give you a similar drop down, and then you're gonna have different links, meeting links we're gonna choose. So after you submit, after someone submit a page, it's gonna redirect them to the meeting link. You see, later for instance, someone want to book for something like a if you have a you want to book a session, so you have your form, and then someone want to book a session or a workshop or something like that, yeah, or a one-on-one coaching, yeah. So the book, and then after that, they're gonna have now to go to schedule the yeah, to book their calendar or something like that, to set up the meeting. Yeah, so that's the things really, it helps a lot for that. Okay, great stuff. So on our next video, so that's gonna be part 4, we're gonna go through some other features, because of Absolute has different features when it comes to form. So we're gonna go like step by step so that it can kind of like make sense. Thank you so much.